Hi guys, my name's Deonder from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're showcasing the Paris full arch single door today with Loy glass oil bronze color. This door comes in different colors. It comes with different glass. It's got a full light, which means it goes all the way down. It doesn't have a kick plate on the bottom. This door is also available in double or single. It's also available full arch, which is a smaller arch, and flat in all those different variances. This is a right-handed swing, which means it's swing from the right wall to the inside. Awesome door. My dad made this design a while ago, a couple of years back, maybe 15, 20 years ago. Really cool. We love it. Full light, you get a lot of light in. It's got a combination of scroll work and straight bars and knuckles. So it's three elements of people looking for an iron door. People sometimes hate the bars, sometimes love the scroll work, but this is a combination of all of them mixed together. And I think it works really good. We're going to flip this around and show you guys the back of this. We're on the back side of the Paris door. This door has an operable glass. We open the knobs. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass and also clean the scroll work if needed. This door also has an optional screen if you need it. For any custom order, we can add a screen to this. This door has a full light. You can also custom make it with a kick plate if you like. That's about it. Pretty cool. If you guys have any questions, please contact us. 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you guys.